If you fail to plan, you plan to fail, and I don't want you to fail. So if you want to pass the upcoming FMGE exam, please stick till the end of this video and make sure that you take notes while I'm talking to you. Sit back, relax, and just listen to me. We'll sort this out together. Hi guys, my name is Dr. Girija Khelkar and welcome back to my channel. If you still haven't subscribed, please do it. That's the least and the most that you can do for me at this moment. Well, if at all you are an FMGE aspirant and you have no confidence on your preparation, you haven't watched the main videos and you are feeling pressurized, then trust me, you are on the perfect video. Now in this video, I am going to discuss a strategy with you which is going to be beneficial so that you cross the finish line of 150 marks. First of all, keep this in mind that this exam has no negative marking, which is a very important advantage, and make sure that you use this advantage to your fullest. The next point is you can prepare for this examination in a very eased out manner if you plan it strategically. So sit back and just plan with me and trust me on this process when I say that I can help you for sure. The first step is please do not target on preparing entire list of 19 subjects. In these 2 months, you don't have the time and the energy that you can put into all the 19 subjects together. Make sure that you pick the bigger chunk first, which is going to give you the maximum number of marks in least effort. Now coming to the priority order of the subject, obstetrics and gynecology, medicine, surgery and PSM are your 4 heroes or the 4 pillars on which your result is going to stand. Each of these subjects, mind you, has 35 to 40 MCQs each, which is like a huge number. Even if you consider a minimum of 30, you still get more than 100 marks from just these 4 subjects. So start with either OB-GYN, surgery, medicine or PSM. Do not even think of skipping these subjects because it is the most important thing that you need to do when you're preparing. So the first month has to be with 2 major subjects and a few minor ones, and the second month has to have 2 major subjects and a few minor ones. Now how to strategize? Now this is a very subjective approach. Whatever subject you're weakest with amongst these 4, start with that. Don't start with your strengths right away, because in the ending when the pressure is high, you want to study something that you're good at, not something which is terrible. So make sure that you choose the difficult subject first among these 4, whatever is your choice, and just make sure that these 2 subjects along with a few minor ones should be completed. Now talking about the first month, what you need to do is complete 2 major subjects out of these 4. That is what I've said already. Choose ENT or Optha, because if at all you study ENT and ophthalmology, you get 15 questions each. These 2 subjects have 30 MCQs. So think logically and do not skip these subjects. Now where to study from? Should I watch the main videos? Are you going to watch 110 videos for OBS and Gynae in 2 months? Of course that's not possible. So what to do now? Now I haven't watched main videos, I did not read textbooks, or I don't retain information from my MBBS years. It's okay. What you can do in these 2 months is more important. Just focus on the emergency kit right now, and that is going to be rapid revision videos. I used the Marrow rapid revision videos, and trust me, those 12 videos of OBS and Gynae by Dr. Sakshi Arora Hans were literally a game changer for me. Trust me, when I completed those 12 videos, the confidence that I had in OBS-GYN went from 0 to 100 instantly. But the thing is, you need to watch these rapid revision videos multiple times so that you get a grip on it. Now, how to watch the rapid revision videos? Are rapid revision videos enough? I have a detailed video which I'll link over here. Please watch it once you're done with this video. I'll link it in the end of the video as well and provide the links in the description box as well. Please make sure that you watch that video. Now, switch to rapid revision videos ASAP. Don't watch main videos now. You don't have the time to watch them. And most of the students start with a certain sequence, like they'll start with anatomy, physiology, pathology, pharmacology. Do not follow this sequence, because this sequence is what you go for during your MBBS years. Now just follow the chunk wise protocol, like what is the biggest chunk, what is going to serve the most in less time. So high yielding topics first. Even if you are thinking about skipping a certain subject, I'll come to the subjects that you can skip, but make sure that at least you do the PYQs or the high yield topics. Now there is a high possibility every time that the PYQs might appear in the examination. May it be from the NEET PG ones, or from the previous FMGE exams, or from the INI-CET exams. So in this case, when you complete watching the rapid revision videos of any particular subject, make sure that you pay close attention to the explanations of the previous year questions, because that is your previous year topic and mostly questions will be asked from there. If you want a list of the previous year topics of all the 19 subjects, please join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below, and you will find a PDF that I have curated for you which has all the high yield topics. So make sure that you don't skip that. Now coming towards the shorter subjects or the medium level subjects, I've divided subjects in 3 categories. All these 3 categories will be displayed on the screen right now. You can just go through them and take a screenshot if you want. Now once you're done with these 4, move to ENT Optha. Once you're done with ENT Optha, go for pediatrics. Pediatrics is an important subject. Pathology, pharmacology, microbiology, you can't skip these. Please do not even think of skipping patho and pharma, because these are the subjects which are going to link you to different kinds of integrated questions. Like even if it is dermatology, or even if it is any other kind of, say, surgical question as well, or even in OB-GYN, like how it is integrated with radiology. Then comes the medium part. In this medium level of subjects, you have patho, pharma, microbio, biochemistry, pediatrics, ENT, optha, and a few other subjects which are not as important as these ones. I hate biochemistry, and when I say hate, I mean hate, and that is why I couldn't watch the rapid revision videos as well. So for that, I had referred to the USMLE Step 1 First Aid. It is a very concise book in which you can just complete biochemistry in like 80 pages. So it was very convenient for me. So if you are someone like me who hates biochem, then please refer to that book. I will put all the links in the description below and you can get it for yourself. Even for pharma and OB-GYN, I'd like to recommend these books called OneTouch Pharmacology and OneTouch Gynecology. So I discovered these books later after I was done with FMGE, but I think that will be very helpful if at all you don't have ready-made notes or you don't have the time to prepare for notes. Just get these books on Amazon and you will be sorted, because you can just review them very fast. Those are the collections of like extremely high yield points, and I think pharma is just done in like 40 pages. So if you are someone who is not looking forward to put in that much of effort, just go and order these books. I have put the links in the description box below. Now coming forward to the smaller chunk of subjects. Now what happens is, when you study subjects like say dermat, anesthesia, FMT, it just boosts your confidence for a little amount of time that okay, I have completed these number of subjects. But in reality, when the examination pops up in front of you, the questions that come from these subjects are pretty low, and that might hinder with your confidence during the examination. So I suggest that keep these subjects for the last, that if you have time, you're going to go through the rapid revision videos of these, or just going through the high yield topics for these subjects is enough. Now skippable subjects include dermatology. You can just go through the images, high yield images, PYQs, PYTs, that will be enough. Anesthesia, because honestly it doesn't have a lot of questions, and the questions that pop up, it is very doable in the examination. You can do it with general knowledge as well. The third one is orthopedics, because even in ortho the questions are integrated with anatomy, so I don't think it should be a problem for you. Then comes FMT. FMT is very important from the point of view of the snake questions, the snake images, anti-snake venom questions, the IPCs, penal codes. Those things are very important. Certain rules are definitely going to be asked, so you can just get the list online, or I'll post it on my Telegram group. Just go through it. Even there's this PDF by Dr. Mahendran on the Marolinks Facebook group. Just go to the Marolinks Facebook group and download that PDF. It is a amazing quick revision of the entire the toxins pictures, snakes pictures, and all the high yield points of forensic medicine you'll get in that PDF. I'll put the link in the description box below. Just go there, and that is also very important. Now main question is, should you solve questions from random Telegram groups on a daily basis? The answer is no. It is very overwhelming. When you go through the PDFs on Telegram group, number one, you don't know the authenticity of the MCQs all the time. So it is better to just stick to the app that you're using or the book that you're using and stick to those MCQs. I would highly suggest that. And when it comes to solving MCQs, pay more attention to PYQs, and please solve one grand test or mock test every week. When it comes to solving grand tests, please do not be afraid of the scores. I know that sometimes it can be very demotivating when you see that you did not cross 150 marks on your grand test, but it's okay. This is just the practice test. What you need to do is, once you're done solving those 300 questions, please make sure that you go back to all the questions, read the explanations, make sure that you don't repeat the same mistake again, because what if the same question pops in your actual exam? You will thank yourself for solving that GT. So make sure that you analyze your GT once you're done with it. So please make sure that you give one GT per week. That means from now on, if you start, you can give a minimum of 8 GTs. More if you would like to. You can also solve the previous year question papers. That will also boost your confidence regarding how the questions are asked, how they are twisted. Like, certain keywords are very important, like which of the following is not the correct option, or which of the following is not correct, incorrect. Now these are the little words that make the actual difference. So make sure that you read the question properly and solve the questions within that specific time frame. So that practice can only happen through GTs. So trust me on that when I say that please pay attention to your GTs. Now coming to the other subjects like anatomy, physiology, what to do with these. Now these subjects are something that you cannot just sit and just complete every part of the body from anatomy. Watch YouTube videos. YouTube is going to be a savior. Whatever subjects you're skipping, you can watch chanting sessions for them on YouTube. There are these amazing tutors available for each and every subject. I will just put in all my recommendations on my Instagram as well and on the screen. So you can just go through the YouTube videos of these mentors, and that is going to help you. You can watch question answer discussions also, which so many faculties are providing on YouTube for free. Just go through them whenever you're having your food, whenever you're taking a break. Make sure you watch these videos on YouTube, because it is also going to enter your subconscious mind, and when you see the question, the answer will pop up. Okay, so use YouTube to the maximum. You can go for the OneTouch books that I recommended. You can go for the USMLE Step 1 First Aid for subjects that you just can't study, and then you will be sorted. But the most important thing is being positive through this entire journey. I know it is tiring. I know it is at times very overwhelming for students to study, and you might feel like giving up, but that is the exact point when you need to work even harder. Study 8 to 10 hours every single day, and trust me, when you pass, it will be so damn worth it. When you'll call your parents, when you'll call your loved ones, and you'll say that I cleared FMGE and now I'll be a doctor forever. That feeling is going to be unmatched. So I know right now you're not enjoying the studying process, but you'll definitely enjoy the result of it. So even if you haven't studied, it's okay. Just have faith and keep going. You will get done with this. Also, when it comes to keeping yourself motivated, if you want the FMGE motivation that you need, please watch this video that I'm going to link over here. I'll also provide a link in the description box below, which is going to boost your self-confidence and your motivation. If you need any help, of course, you can DM me on Instagram, but trust me, all these baby steps are going to help you to reach your goal. So these are the tips that I wanted to share. I hope they were helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is Dr. Girija Khelkar. You can also email me if at all you are not on any social media platform. My email ID is drgirijakhelkar@gmail.com. Now I wish you all the best. Just sit back, relax. Other few videos are going to come up for you for the last month strategy and for the last day strategy as well. So stay tuned. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because that motivates me to create more such content for you guys, and so that I can help you out in this process. I trust you. So please just get back to studying. Start with the major subjects, then move to the moderate ones. Do not skip Optha and ENT, then go to the minor ones. Skip a few subjects. I've given you a few cheat codes, and once you're done with that, trust me, you'll cross that finish line of 150 marks and you'll be sorted. Okay, I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that it brought a little bit of hope and a little bit of smile on your face. Until then, don't forget to have your cup of positivity. Thank you so much for watching this video, and all the very best. you.